fuck the world, they can suck it.
No one is coming to help you. And right now, I'm recording this at 1 a.m. Usually I don't do this. Usually my sleep schedule is not bad. Could be better, but I don't know, for some reason I can't sleep and having these late night thoughts. I've just realized that no one is going to help you. No one. You have to figure this shit out on your own. With this new online thing, so many people try to seek for the one secret, the one trick or tip to make them money or to make them see success. And it doesn't work like that. Read all the books you want. You could take all the courses you want. You can watch as many YouTube videos like these as much as you want. But at the end of the day, this shit is all on you. You have to realize the world is not all black and white. Something that might work for me might not work for you, and vice versa, right? At the end of the day, it's it could be frustrating, when you do stuff, over and over, and you just see failure and failure over again. Even if you follow the steps of all the knowledge that you have, you just have to figure it out on your own. And yet part of it is just keep trying, and eventually, it's gonna work. But there's not one thing that you will watch on the internet. You will see a video, someone giving some tip or advice, and you can automatically just apply that tip and it'll make you millions or thousands in the next few days. It doesn't work like that. But sometimes, I also try to remind myself that, success isn't overnight and it just takes time. But the thing is that I have this sense of rush in me where it's I don't want to waste time. I want it now. And I'm not expecting, thousands and millions of dollars rolling in. I don't expect that. And I know that's unachievable. To make true success, it does take time. I just want some result. I just want to at least be free. Because when I'm free, that's when, shit starts to work. So that's when I feel like I can finally grow, when I'm free. Everyone has their basic desires, and one of them is money. And I get it. You want to seek for happiness. And happiness doesn't come with money. But what it does is happiness comes with a sense of freedom. And unfortunately, that is money. Money itself doesn't bring you happiness. But the sense of freedom and security is what allows you to grow. Nowadays, us humans, they push the system out on us. And they force us to do menial tasks that don't involve any creativity or thought process to it. It's just do your work, sit at a desk, do your work. They never give you the opportunity to grow. And so for me, I feel like I'm in this cycle where it's I'm trying to grow, but I realize that all I need is just a few $1,000s. So it's sometimes I feel like I'm pausing my growth just so hard to focus on making these few thousands of dollars to then finally get that freedom. And look, I don't know if that's the right way to go about it, but the people watching this video, I know you have a head over your shoulders, and when you make money and you figure it out on your own, and you figured it out, and when you have money, you use that money for growth rather than stupidity. And I'm just so eager to grow, to learn, but I need to hit my goal. And it's just frustrating to know that no one is here to help you, and no one gives a fuck. No one gives a fuck. So sometimes I sit in my desk alone at night at 1 a.m. and I think it's damn, it's scary, because I have to figure this shit out. And am I able to? I don't know. I believe so, but I just want it bad. It's a burning desire in me, and I just want it. so bad. Like, the mediocre people will never understand. But you, again, watching, you understand it. It's a burning desire. I want it so bad. I just want that freedom, a sense of freedom. And I believe that the way life works generally is that you go years without feeling growth. You go years without making a single dollar. And then just one day, it just eventually blows the fuck up and it grows exponentially. And it's like, then life just moves so fast. For now, it's just day by day. It's the same shit. Just doing what you gotta do. Doing the work, putting your head down, being alone, figuring your shit out on your own. And it could be demoralizing, but again, what else are you gonna do? You're gonna do the general path. You're gonna do the job where they just set you to do menial tasks that mean fucking nothing and you have no room to grow. Because you know what? For me, the general path is not even about the money. It's not even about the income. It's about my freedom. It's about my self, my who I am as a person. I want to grow. But the way society has these systems in place, they don't make you grow. And I just want to get out of it. It's not even about the money yet. At a certain point, it's really not. Give me just enough to live a decent life, but free time and location freedom. That's all it is. That is worth no price. People don't realize that. I may doubt myself sometimes, but I do know at the end of the day, I'll never give up. And I will get there. Whatever it takes.